Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This mask that I'm going to share today is one of my favorite masks that is great for harsh cold weather. Winter always makes my skin look dry and dull, so this is the mask that I reach out to. If you have dry skin and looking rough and flaky, then keep watching. To make this mask, you only need 3 ingredients. First ingredient is avocado. Make sure it's soft and ripened. Just a small thin slice is enough. Now mash it nicely. Avocado is one of the best fruits for dry, aging and sensitive skin. It is full of natural fats that will deeply condition your skin layer and which will also help with fine lines, wrinkles and dryness. Now add 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural humectant which attracts water molecules to your skin, and that way it will keep it well hydrated. It moisturizes your skin without making it look oily and is perfect for oily and acne prone skin as well. Mix this mask and make it into a paste, and now apply it on your face in circular motion. Once the mask is slightly dried out, take a full fat milk in a bowl and dip your fingers in it and massage again for a few more minutes. Raw milk is packed with exceptional nutrition such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, lactic acid, as well as vitamin B and D. These properties will make your skin pores firm by unclogging them, rebuild the tissue, and stimulate collagen production. It's perfect anti-aging face mask if you're avoiding vitamin A's or retinols while you're pregnant. Once you're done with massaging, you can wash it off with lukewarm water and apply your face cream while your skin is slightly damp. As you can see how soft and supple my skin looks and feels. So guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I see you next time. Bye bye.